Heavy-duty outdoor lock. Maximum security combination lock is best used as a gate lock, shed lock, or storage lock. Set your own 4-digit combination lock for easy combination recall. No combination change tool required. Padlock is constructed with a zinc body and reinforced body bumper for strength and reliability. Shackle seal and covered dials for superior weather protection. One directional dial feature for low light applications. Tough cut octagonal boron-carbide shackle is 50% harder than hardened steel. Roller pin cylinder provides maximum pick and pry resistance. 2-1/4 inch, 57 mm wide lock body. 3/8 inch, 10 mm diameter shackle with 1-1/2 inch, 38 mm length, 15/16 inch, 24 mm width. Extended shackle for application flexibility. Top reviews from the United States. Great choice. Easy setup. Versatile and resettable. There is a dimple on the back so that as it hangs, lifting it up puts the numbers upright. In a low situation, where you'd have to bend way over or down, hang it with the dimple in front so that when you raise the lock upwards, while you're basically leaned over and upside down, the numbers will appear to you as right side up.